Use search for how to buy shares of Vimian Group AB. Vimian Group AB is listed on CBOE EU under the ticker VIMIAN.ST. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. We'll use eToro as an example. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can buy. Open the platform search and type the ticker VIMIAN.ST. Look for the CBOE EU listing to ensure you locate the correct Vimian Group AB share. On the asset page, check the basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the listing matches Vimian Group AB and shows the VIMIAN.ST ticker. To place an order, choose the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when it reopens. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will ask you to add money before confirming. After the trade, the position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.